to woman, we both grown. Go get your own.